Eden Island in the Seychelles has amazing properties ranging from 500,000 to 5 million euros. This 3-bedroom villa has a beautiful open lounge that leads to a veranda overlooking the wonderful marina. All the 3 bedrooms that open up to the turquoise calm waters are beautifully designed and have their own luxurious bathrooms. A wonderful open-plan lounge boasts of a modern state-of-the-art kitchen. There's even a mahogany-colored study room. For foreigners, the bonus is that buying a property here automatically qualifies you to apply for a residency permit of the beautiful Seychelles. For any further information, please call Liz or Peter on 0024843744904, 00248252644, or 0024825277871.